What is up, guys? In this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can transfer crypto from Binance to another Binance account. Now this is very quick and easy. The first thing you need to do, guys, is you need to log into your Binance account, and yeah, that's it. So after you log in, this is how it's going to look like. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is to get the wallet address from the account that you are trying to send crypto to. So if you are trying to send this to your friend, your friend needs to go and they need to click on wallet, and they need to click on fiat and spot, so that I can show you guys how you can get the wallet address so that you can send them from your own Binance account. Okay, they need to scroll down and they need to select the crypto or the coin that they are trying to receive from you. Okay, so for example, if they are trying to if you are trying to send them Bitcoin, they need to go and click on deposit, and they need to click they need to select network, like select BNB chain. Okay, and so yeah, this is the wallet that you need. So I'm sorry, this is the wallet address that you need to copy. Okay, make sure when you try to send them the Bitcoin, for example, you need, where it says here select network, they will ask you to select network. You need to select the same network. Okay, so make sure like it's BNB smart chain. Now after you copy this wallet address, you want to go to your own Binance account, the account that you are trying to send Bitcoin from or any other crypto from. You need to click on wallet, fiat and spot, and you need to scroll down, and you need to find the exact same coin. Okay, so this is Bitcoin. You need to click, instead of clicking on deposit, you need to click on withdraw, so that you can withdraw to another Binance account. Now you want to enter the address here, like tell your friends to give you the address. As you can see, this is the address. Make sure you don't change anything in the address. Okay, and where it says here network, you want to select the same network that you have selected or your friends selected when they are trying to get the wallet address. So for us, we selected BNB smart chain. You want to select it, click on yes, I am sure it's the correct network, and here you want to select the amount of Bitcoin that you are trying to send. So I'm going to send 1 Bitcoin. Of course I don't have 1 Bitcoin, otherwise I won't be here making this video. So yeah, so after you select the amount of Bitcoin, you want to click on withdraw. Okay, if you want to select 0.5, you can do that. Click on withdraw, and that's it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Let me know in the comments. See you guys.